Good morning everyone. Myself Purushottam Patel. I am from Dream India School Raigad Chhattisgarh, and today we are going to start the important topic of class 9, and this topic related to geography chapter number 1, and the name of chapter cartography and the study of maps. Okay, so in this chapter we discuss about the maps and the cartographer. Okay, so let's start. First, what do you mean by map? What is a map? So a map is a 2D representation, or a map is drawn as the pictorial representation of any diagrams. Okay, so map is drawn a pictorial representation. This word is important. Pictorial representation of the earth and its features. Okay, and map also highlight the all the earth surface parts. Okay, map highlights the mountain plateaus. Okay, and climate condition also highlights. So map express information through the line, colored, zone, shape and other symbol. These are the components of the map. Okay, so map include lines, colored pictures and the colored shading areas and zones and shapes and the symbols. So map has the many components, and this component denote the particular map. Okay, so map is the 2D representation and the pictorial representation of the earth and its features. Okay, and it represents with the help of line, colored, zone, shape and other symbol. Okay, so map is the important, and also denotes the special features such as river, road, cities. Okay, you know about the Google Map. Google Map also denote the 3D image of earth surface. Okay, so map is drawn on the printed representation on the physical picture of the earth. That means, you know, map is a 2D representation in a printed form. This is also important, in printed form, and it is the best tool to show, understand, analyze the features of the earth. Okay, so map is the important tools by which you can show the and understand and analyze the features of your areas. Okay, and one of the important words and important definition of the cartography. Cartography means, cartography is the art and the science of making map. Okay, so cartography is the art and the science of making map. So cartography means the art and the science of making map. This is important word, and your chapter name also start from the cartography. Okay, so cartography is the art and science of the making map, and those person that represents map and that draw the map, then this is called cartographer. Okay, so map may also give the information of the property and such as the climate. Okay, population. Maps show the important features also, and today most map are based on the photograph, because currently maps are represented with the help of photographs. Okay, so map have the lines, colors, symbols, shapes. These are the components of the map. So map is important to know about the everything. So the symbol also act as the important roles in a map. Symbol represent such a symbol of the temple, such a symbol of the bridges, railway cross. Okay, so these are the important definition of the maps and the cartography. And map will be drawn with the help of the scale. Scale is the important tools to draw the map. Scale is the ratio between the distance of the part of the map and the ground distance. That means we cannot represent the actual distance of the map, actual distance of the any features in a map. So we reduce the size of the map. So the reducing size with the help of the ratio. Okay, so scale is used to measure the size. Okay, and it is the ratio between the distance of the part of the map and its ground distance. Okay, so map denote with the map made with the help of scale. So you know everyone, map does not denote the actual size of the image. So this is the example. 1 centimeter on the map, it denotes the distance of 500 meters. Okay, so it is difficult to denote the 500 meter on a map. So with the help of the scale, you can denote 500 meter into 1 centimeter. Okay, so 1 centimeter denote 500 meters. Okay, so you can easily denotes the large structure in a map. Okay, so map may be different types: political map, physical map, topographic map. Okay, and these three maps are important: political map, physical map, and topographic map. Political map is a type of map that denote the state boundary and the state name, and physical map which denote the physical features which are made by naturally, such as denotes of the mountain plateaus with the help of physical map. And the topographic map is a type of map that denotes the climate condition of the areas, okay, such as rainfall condition, temperature condition, pressure condition. Then this is called topographic map. So map may be divided into basically three types: political map, physical map, and the topographic map. Topographic map is important because the topographic map denote the both natural and the man-made features. Okay, natural features are important because topographic map denote the mountain structure, plateau structures. Okay, climate conditions, climate, temperature condition, pressure condition. It denotes the topographic map. Climate, temperature, and pressure are important. Okay, so the natural feature include the mountain, valley, plains, lake, river, and forest. These are the natural features, and physical map denote these features. Okay, and man-made feature include the road, boundaries, transmission lines, major building. It denoted by the topographic map also. Okay, so topographic map is important because with the help of topographic map we can denote the natural feature and man-made features. Okay, and symbols also highlight the important features of the map. Okay, and gives the important information to us. And we already explained, in a map we cannot denote the actual size of the structure, because we can denote with the help of the scale factor. Scale factor is important. Scale factor denoted in the ratio forms 1 ratio 25000 scales. That means large size of the structure, okay, denote in a 1 centimeter. That means 250,000 centimeters denote in a 1 centimeter scale. Okay, so these are called scale factor. Scale factor is important because with the help of scale factor we can denote the large size of the image into small scale. Next, map symbol are important because map symbol denotes the important information in a map, such as the symbol of the temple, symbol of the road, symbol of the structure, special feature, church, mosque, Hindu temples. Okay, so these are the important symbol, means which denote the highlights the important structure in a maps. Okay, so one of the important map types, such as thematic map that show the distribution of the special particular features such as population, rainfall, natural resources. Okay, so thematic map that denote the distribution of particular features such as population, how many males, how many child below the age of 0 to 6, and how many females. Okay, so rainfall, natural resources, and it also denote the population of the countries. Okay, how maps are made, it is important topic. Map are made by the cartographer. Okay, so the process of making map is called cartography, and those person who make map, then this is called cartographer. So cartographer collect the specific information and draw the map. Okay, and the step to draw the map are 4 steps. First one is observation and measurement, and second one is planning and design, and third one is drawing and reproduction, and fourth one is revision. So 4 topic and 4 step are important. First, observe the resources and observe the available features. Okay, and measurements these features, and planning and designs, and drawing and reproduction. And after drawing you can revise your features and revise your drawing. Okay, So next we already discussed about the cartographer. So cartography means the art of making study of the maps and the art of making of map. Okay, then this is called cartography. And the person who makes map, then this is called cartographer. Okay, so various kind of the map. Also the main three types of the map: physical features, physical map which denote the physical feature, political map which denote the state boundaries, and the thematic map or the topographic map, okay, which denote the climate condition, pressure condition, and temperature condition. Okay, so these are the three maps, and we already discussed about the cartographer. Cartographer are the study of the maps and the art of science of making map. Okay, so cartography process we already discussed the steps of the cartographer, which the step of making map, and these are the scale of the map. That means 1 lakh denote the 1 centimeter, 1 lakh centimeter denote by the 1 centimeter. This is the ratio and this is called scale factor. Okay, so various symbols we also used in our map, and direction is also responsible. That means direction is the other components of the map, basically north, east, south, west, and northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest. Okay, so basically 8 direction are important and we denote by the arrows. Okay, and scale, this is the scale factor. Okay, so this is our topic of cartography of the maps, and the last one is the advantage of the map are more objective, and maps we denote the highlight the important feature. You can easily access the important features with the help of the map. Okay, and you can understand and it makes the simpler to visualize. Okay, and maps can be useful source of the data and can historical perspective. Maps can also be used to solve the complex problems. Okay, so limitation of the maps, limitation of maps, that means no map is ever completely accurate. Okay, because we are using a scale factor, so no maps are very accurate. Okay, so no one map can show the all the features. We cannot denote all the features in a single maps. Okay, and good maps show the features that are relevant but focus less on the other features. Okay, good map denote the one feature in a focus, but other features will not be highlighted in a proper manner. Okay, so these are the limitation of the maps. Okay, and one of the important topic and the last topic of your chapter is contour line. Contour line is the important features by which we can denote the peaks and you can denote the highlands on the map. Okay, suppose this is your mountains. Okay, any types of the mountains, so you can denote it with the help of the maps. Okay, so the lower regions will become the less height. Okay, so less height it denote in a outermost part of the circle, and this is the upper height, and this is also upper height, and this is upper height, and this is the peak of the mountain. Okay, so you can denote it by the circle. Okay, so this region denote 200 meters, and this region denote 250 meters, and this region denote 300 meter, and this region denote 350 meters, and this region denotes 400 meters. Okay, so you can draw the single point, you can take the single point and draw the circles. Okay, so you can denote the highlands features in a maps with the help of the circle, and this line is called contour line. Okay, so contour line is a lines which denotes the highland features in a circle manners or the manners in the form of 2D representation. Okay, you can join the highlands and its high peak with the help of the points, and you can draw the circle. Okay, so with the help of the curvature points you can draw the contour lines. Okay, so contour line is important in your maps representation. So this is your textbook, first cartography and the study of the maps. Okay, this is your chapter number 1, geography. So let's discuss from your books. First cartography, and this is chapter number 1, cartography and the study of map. This is called direction. Direction is the important components. Okay, and next one is direction in the maps. Direction is map we already discussed, basically 8 direction: north, east, south, west, northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest, Okay, so these are the 8 direction. And scale is important features. With the help of the scale you can denote the map in a accurate manners. Okay, so scale may be divided into 3 types: word statement, linear scale, and representative fraction. So word statement means you can denote in a word by word manners. Okay, so you can write the word. Suppose 1 centimeter denote 10 kilometer. So in this scale you can denote 1 centimeter of the map equal to the distance of the 10 kilometer. This is the word statements. Okay, linear scale you can denote the scale you can denote the distance with the help of the straight line manners. Okay, so straight line manners you can denote the centimeter. So with the help of linear scale you can denote the this is an example of the linear scale. You can linear scale denote 8 centimeter in the school equal to the 10 kilometer. Okay, suppose you want to denote the 10 kilometer in our maps, so you can denote 8 centimeter. Okay, so this is the linear types of the scale. And the last one is representative fraction. You already discussed in a slide. Representative fraction denoted by the ratio. Okay, so 1 lakh denoted by the 1 centimeter, 1 lakh centimeter denoted by the 1 centimeter. Okay, so these are the important types of the map, important types of the scale. And these are the symbols are the important components of the map. Railway line denoted by this symbol, and the brain gauge denoted by these symbols, and road that denoted by the double lines. Okay, and this is the river well diagrams. Okay, temple, church, mosques. Okay, so these are the symbols which denotes in a maps. And types of map, basically 3 types are important: political map, physical map, and the contour map. And topography map is also important. Topographic map which denote the important features, natural features: mountain, plateau, plains, river, valley. Okay, and one of the important topic from your chapter, contour line, we already discussed in a slide. Contour line which denotes the highline features of the maps with the help of the curvature feature, curve line. Okay, so cartography means cartographer which denote the which cartographer is a person which makes the maps. Okay, so cartographer is also important. So important discovery, Vasco da Gama who discovered the route from the Portugal part to the India parts. Okay, so Vasco da Gama who traveled from the Portugal region to the Indian region with the help of the Cape of Good Hope. Okay, this is the route of the. So this is the important topic from your chapter. I hope you are doing very well. Okay, if you have any doubts then you directly consult me. Okay, thank you very much to all of you.